Ryan's taking Riley's spot. I can't breathe. I can't. He's so mad. He's so mad. Oh my god. I hope he falls again. I'm gonna miss my pee. Oh my god, I'm gonna pee my pee. Sorry, Cooper. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna pee. I'm peeing right now. Like, how are you even gonna get up there? I don't think those are the right shoes. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, it's still happening. Crying. I swear to God, he's so pissed. He's so mad. Fucking ridiculous. There's people beside us that are just dying. Oh my. Okay, try one more time. Riley's up, no problem. Okay, I promise you, I'm going to pee my pants if you. I honestly. It's so hard to watch. Look at that. Come on, hold on to the tree. Oh my god! This is the best day of my life.